Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to show inactive chart of accounts in QuickBooks Online. Now this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals. Let's say that you've accidentally marked some chart of accounts as inactive. How do you actually go ahead and pull those back up? Now this video is going to be short, sweet, and simple, guys. There's not going to be a lot of steps involved. So in order to do this, what you're first going to do is log on to your QuickBooks Online account. Next, on the left-hand side, you want to click on Menu so it drops down, and then highlight Transactions, and then click on Chart of Accounts. Once you click on Chart of Accounts, you're going to appear on a page that looks like this. You want to click on the gear icon, and then scroll down, and then there's going to be a button that says Show Inactive Chart of Accounts. Once you click on the checkbox that says Show Inactive Chart of Accounts, you should see your inactive chart of accounts in QuickBooks Online. But there you have it, guys. That right there is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead and show your inactive chart of accounts. If you guys know of a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. Thanks so much for watching, everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.